Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Lexmark printer. I have Lexmark MB22 and 36i, but this manual is actual for every user of MB2200 series printers. And now I'm going to show you how to fix jammed paper on this device. So how to remove jammed paper from the printer. So firstly, you need to disable this printer from the power. So just disable the cable from the power, from the electricity. And now open this second cover. So we have first cover for the scanning, and we have the second cover. And as you can see, here I have my jammed paper. In my situation, I can just I just can take it out by pulling it from here. But if your paper is inside of the printer, maybe you have worse situation, and in this situation you need to check two other places. So first place you need to check is the paper tray. So just open this tray and let's see here. So let's see if you have part of the card here. You can try to take it out from here, but if you don't see the paper card from here, you need to try to check in the other place. So here, as you can see here, we have the back cover of our printer, and we can open it. So just open it, and as you can see, here is my jammed paper card. So to take it out, we just need to, we can do it easily from here. Okay, so just take the paper card out. So that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye! See you!